Ngabe iy'ncwadi ze-testament elisha singayethemba yini ukuthi yizo lezi kufanele ukuthi zibe kwi-New Testament? Azikho yini iy'ncwadi ey'khishiwe ekufana ngabe sinazo? Ngamanye amazwi, we are examining i-canon ye-New Testament. Well, first into engifuna ukuyisho kuqala engifuna ukuyiveza la with regards to i-canon ukuthi azikho iy'ncwadi ezakhishwa kwi-canon ekwakufanele ukuthi zibe khona. Iy'ncwadi ey'ngazange zingene kwi-canon of scripture ye-New Testament zayidisqualifya zona. So when i-council ihlala and they were deciding on i-canon of scripture, they were using ama-criterias and ngizobala awu-4 awo. I'm pretty sure basebenzisa more than ilona ama-criterias awu-4. First of all, kwakufanele ukuthi incwadi ibe ne-apostolic authority. In other words, kwakufanele at least ibhalwe umpostoli noma ibhalwe umuntu owayesondelene nompostoli. Ingakho sithola incwadi kaMark noLuke, because uLuke wayekade esondelene kakhulu noPaul. Siyabona ku-Acts babe travela ndawonye, and nakuTimothy yammenshina futhi. NoMark wayekade ehamba ndawonye noPetro. So bobawu-2 banama-acquaintances kwama-apostles. So ingakho iy'ncwadi zabo za-consider zagcina zingena futhi kwi-canon of scripture. But ukuthi ukade uhamba nompostoli nokuthi wawumpostoli, lokho kwakungeyona alone into eyayenza ukuthi incwadi yakho ibe authoritative noma ingene kwi-canon. Enye into abafuna ukuyibheka futhi yesibili ukuthi ngabe leyo ncwadi leyo i-consistent yini with izinto ezifundiswe uJesu Kristu nezinto ezifundiswe abapostoli kwezinye incwadi. Yini eyayenza benze lokho? Ingoba baningi abantu abaphuma babhala iy'ncwadi beyifaka ngaphansi kwamagama abantu ababapostoli, kodwa kungabona abayibhalile lezo y'ncwadi, kwabanye abantu nje ababhala under i-pseudonym yompostoli. So kwakulula ukuthi lezo y'ncwadi lezo zifleshwe out because kwakubhekwa i-doctrine ephakathi bese kubheka ukuthi abapostoli babengayifundisi into enjalo, kwakuyinto contrary kuloko abakufundisayo. It's not izinto ezinzima, it's izinto ey'phikisanayo. For example, mangase kube khona incwadi ethi uJesu akazange azavuke, noMark wayekade ehamba ndawonye noPetro. So bobawu-2 banama-acquaintances kwama-apostles. So ingakho iy'ncwadi zabo za-consider zagcina zingena futhi kwi-canon of scripture. But ukuthi ukade uhamba nompostoli nokuthi wawumpostoli, lokho kwakungeyona alone into eyayenza ukuthi incwadi yakho ibe authoritative noma ingene kwi-canon. Enye into abafuna ukuyibheka futhi yesibili ukuthi ngabe leyo ncwadi leyo i-consistent yini with izinto ezifundiswe uJesu Kristu nezinto ezifundiswe abapostoli kwezinye incwadi. Yini eyayenza benze lokho? Ingoba baningi abantu abaphuma babhala iy'ncwadi beyifaka ngaphansi kwamagama abantu ababapostoli, kodwa kungabona abayibhalile lezo y'ncwadi, kwabanye abantu nje ababhala under i-pseudonym yompostoli. So kwakulula ukuthi lezo y'ncwadi lezo zifleshwe out because kwakubhekwa i-doctrine ephakathi bese kubheka ukuthi abapostoli babengayifundisi into enjalo, kwakuyinto contrary kuloko abakufundisayo. It's not izinto ezinzima, it's izinto ey'phikisanayo. For example, mangase kube khona incwadi ethi uJesu akazange azavuke ethuneni, kodwa amanye ama-epistles noma ezinye iy'ncwadi zikhombisa uJesu wavuka kwabafileyo, kusho ukuthi leyo ncwadi iphikisana naloko okubhaliwe kulezi ezinye iy'ncwadi. So i-contradiction leyo. It's not ukuthi into enzima we-explain, which we can explain izinto ezinzima mhlawumbe ezinye esingayiqondi kahle eBhayibhelini, kodwa lezo zayiphikisana completely. So lezo y'ncwadi lezo zayikhansela zona out, they were not qualified to bangene kwi-canon. Into yesithathu futhi enyayi-useful was ukubheka ama-early church fathers. Ama-early church fathers abantu esingababoni mentioned eBhayibhelini, kodwa they lived during isikhathi la khona abapostoli abebesaphila khona noma abapostoli besanda kufa. So the church was still new ngaleso sikhathi, and these people babe communicate with each other, writing iy'ncwadi to each other. So masibheka abantu abanjengo Clement of Rome, or Ignatius of Antioch, no Polycarp of Smyrna, babebhala iy'ncwadi to ama-churches. And uma ufunda lezo y'ncwadi zabo, and ngizoshiya i-link ngezansi khona uzokwazi ukuyi-check-a nawe, uyabona ukuthi bayakhotha from iy'ncwadi zo-Matthew, o-Mark, o-Luke, bakhothe o-Romans, o-Corinthians, incwadi kaJude, bakhothe uTimothy 2, bakhothe oThessalonika, oKolose. So lokho kuyasiprovela ukuthi in the early church they were using certain books. So even Hebrews is mentioned in the book incwadi yaClement ebhalela kwabaseKorinte. So iCouncil yakusebenzisa naloko ukuthi ibheke ukuthi ama-church fathers yiziphi incwadi ayekade isebenzisa in the early church. So since incwadi, for example, iGospel kaThomas is not found ama-church fathers isebenzisa, lokho kuyaprove adding more evidence ukuthi not only is it teaching i-doctrine wrong, but it was also never used kwi-early church. So again lento iprove ukuthini umgaqo ogijinywa kakhulu kusho ukuthi wona umgaqo obuvele ukhona, kodwa umgaqo ongahanjwanga kakhulu ukukhombisa ukuthi vele ubungathembekile kwasekuqaleni. So incwadi like iGospel kaThomas yaba excluded kanjalo. Enye into futhi yaba useful kwakuyinto esiyibiza ngokuthi textual criticism. Textual criticism isho ukuthini, you look at words ukusetshenziswa kwawo and bese uwaqhathanisa namagama ayisetshenziswa ngesikhathi leyo ncwadi eclaim ukuthi ibhalwe ngaso. Isibonelo lapho mangase umuntu athi kunencwadi ebhalwe uNelson Mandela owayibhala esejele, and leyo ncwadi mase siyifunda noma ngathiwa ama pages ayo abrown athelwe ngamanzi abuye emadala, kodwa mase siyifunda sithola khona mhlawumbe isebenzisa igama elithi tweet noma isebenzisa igama elithi WhatsApp. Lokho kuyasikhombisa ukuthi leyo nto ibhalwe umuntu obenolwazi lwa WhatsApp noma uFacebook noma uTwitter, which is ama-inventions recent aqhamuke ngabo 2009 2010. So already leyo ncwadi singabona ukuthi ayibhalwanga uNelson Mandela, ibhalwe umuntu obekade ezenza uNelson Mandela. So i-textual criticism was also used ukuthi ikwazi u-exclude ezinye zezincwadi ngokubuka indlela ebhalwe ngayo ne-style of writing. Lokho kuyakhombisa ayibhalwanga ngesikhathi mhlambe uPhilip ayisaphila ngaso noma uThomas ayisaphila ngaso, ibhalwe umuntu later on owabhala ngaphansi kwegama likaThomas noma uPhilip. So yizo zonke incwadi lezi ayi-exclude. Singabala i-Apocalypse of Peter, Gospel of Peter, the Gospel of Thomas and the Gospel of Philip. So lezi incwadi lezi zatholakala zayifundisa izifundiso ezingahambisani nokweBhayibheli zadisqualify na-textual criticism. For example, incwadi kaThomas is said to teach ukuthi uJesu wathi regarding to uMary kufuneka ukuthi aqala ashintshe kuqala abe umuntu wesilisa ukuze akwazi ukuthi angene embusweni kaNkulunkulu, which is something contrary kuloko esikufundayo ezweni likaNkulunkulu. Ukuthi masifunda lona uRevelation for example uyasitshela ukuthi ngase ngibona inkulungwane zabantu abesilisa nabesifazane from all tribes and all nations. So ukuthi kungena abantu besilisa kuphela ezulwini kuphikisana nayo yonke into eseBhayibhelini. So that is how i-canon was formed. Izincwadi esizibonayo kwi-New Testament azange ikhethwe randomly, kodwa kwasetshenziswa ama-skills noma kwasetshenziswa indlela ezithile ezicritical ngempela ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sigcine singayitholi sesinezincwadi ezingafanele ukuthi sibe nazo eBhayibhelini. Second of all, into eyenza ukuthi i-New Testament ibe reliable. In fact, i-New Testament i-reliable ukudlula zonke izincwadi ezingabe zibe khona. Mangase kubekwe zonke izincwadi ezikhona emhlabeni, New Testament is the most reliable one. Why? Ingoba i-New Testament inama-manuscripts are more than anything ekhona emhlabeni. For example, inama-manuscripts. Ama-manuscripts, it's when mangase kuthiwa kubhalwe incwadi thizeni bese abanye abantu nabo bayikhopishe leyo ncwadi bafuna ukuyibhala, mhlambe igcine abantu abawu-50 for example beyikhopishe leyo ncwadi beyisusa from original, noma ngathi i-original ayisekho, kodwa masiqoqa zonke lezi ncwadi eziwu-50 ezazingama-copies siyakwazi ukubona ukuthi i-original yayinjani. So the more unawo ama-manuscripts the more unawo ama-manuscripts kusho ukuthi it's the more ukwazi ukuthi ubone ukuthi i-original yayikade injani. I-New Testament inenqwaba yama-manuscripts. For example, khona i-Latin Vulgate around 10,000 manuscripts. Ethiopic, Slavic, ne-Armenian has around 8,000 manuscripts. I-Codex Sinaiticus has around 2,000 imihlanganiswa with i-Codex Vaticanus. So zonke lezo zinto lezo zisikhombisa ukuthi masingase ihlanganise zo incwadi lezo singasinikeza a very reliable picture of what the book of Matthew, for example, was looking like in its originality. Incwadi for example, 1 Corinthians wakade unjani usa original ungakakhopishwa in its original form. Masithatha wonke lama manuscripts around 22,000 sibheke ukuthi ikuphi la ehluka khona nakuphi la efana khona. Masingase sisebenzise i-example nje outside of iBhayibheli. Umlando ka-Alexander the Great is written years later esashona Alexander the Great, so it's less reliable, but people still believe ukuthi Alexander the Great waphila. Ama manuscripts akhona are less than 300, and abantu still are using them to say ukuthi history yakhe is reliable. So in New Testament mangase kuthiwe usebenzisa leyo critiquing of incwadi in the history, ima ngaphezulu kwazo zonke incwadi ezikhona ezi-reliable kwi-history, because yona inama manuscripts amaningi ukudlula zonke incwadi ezikhona kwi-history. So in New Testament siyakwazi ukuthi siyithembe, siyakwazi ukuthi siyithembe njengezwi likaNkulunkulu.